My name is Toni. I am 54 years old and I work as a telephone salesperson. My symptoms were I had a pain in my neck, and then it started to where it radiated down my right arm, and it actually got to where I was losing strength in the arm and I couldn't hold on to anything, and it actually felt like somebody was sending electrical current up my arm whenever I moved it or anything. And I have two small grandchildren. I could not pick the smallest one up because I was afraid of dropping him. I just kind of said, oh, it'll stop, but it never did. And I finally broke down and went to a doctor. In the beginning, I went to my family doctor, and she sent me to Premier Orthopedics, and I saw one of his physician's assistants, and he had me get an x-ray done. There were some abnormalities and things that were not right, so that's when they wanted to send me to get the MRI done. And then I got the MRI done, and when I went back, they said, we definitely have a problem, that your discs are not, they're closing off, so that's the reason I was losing feeling, and I was getting numbness in my arm and the tingling down the arm that was pretty intense. I needed to have 4 of my discs fused and repaired. So that's when we talked about surgery, and that's when we got into the fusion surgery that he does and everything, and he described it, and I looked into it myself to see what it was like and the downtime and things like that, and I went back and said, yeah, let's try this. I think that all Dr. Shah and his entire team, his physician's assistants that he has working with him, are all wonderful. They make you feel comfortable. Dr. Shah specifically does make you feel very comfortable. He comes and sees you before the surgeries. I mean, you come here to see him, but before the surgery, he always stopped in, always, said what was going to happen, always talked to me as a person, not as really a doctor. And that he made me feel comfortable with what was going to happen. It all worked out, and I was so happy I chose to do it. I really am. And he was a wonderful doctor as far as, like I said, his bedside manner and keeping me informed of what was going on and how it was going to go. Now I can pick up my grandson and with no problem at all, and carry him around for long periods of time because that's what he likes. And I'm very happy that I took the chance and went ahead and did it, because I don't know where I'd be right now if I didn't.